Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am very happy that you are here with me today. This video is a flip through of my first Christmas junk journal for 2022, and I am so glad that this is finally completed, and I'm really excited to share this with you. Christmas is just around the corner and I have been really late making Christmas projects. But now that this is done, I feel a lot better and I hope that you stay with me till the end of this video. All the materials and the supplies that I used to complete this project came from my stash and I did not buy anything new. So I used a variety of papers, different paper pads, scrapbook papers, digitals from the events and collaboration that I joined last year, vintage Christmas music sheets, and coffee stain papers. So this is kind of a mix and match. I also used all colors, so there are red, green, even blue, gold, black and white, and silver. Also, I did so many things in this project. So I did some stitching, embossing, stamping, stenciling, and I really had fun embellishing the inside pages. This journal got so big and chunky and fat. So when I do the flip through, I will remove all those embellishments because yes, they can be removed, and I will not put them back so that you will see that this book without those embellishments, those tags and journaling cards is just a decent size, and there are really plenty of space for writing. The size of this journal is 7 3/4 by 6 inches, and there are about, I believe, over 125 inside pages front and back. Some of the edges are decorated with laces and fabric trims and pom-pom. I also added some charms like snowflakes, bells, butterflies, flowers, and they are all in gold tone. And then for the cover, the base is a red table mat, and I covered it with this Christmas fabric. The Merry Christmas is an old Christmas card, and you can see the wooden Santa Claus and wooden elf, or pretty buttons and stickers. And for the back, I only added this sticker. So just plain, and I liked how it turned out. I hope that you do as well. I did a 3-hole stitch binding to hold the signatures together. And for the closure, I used this very pretty ribbon, and this is attached or stitched to the cover. Because this book is really big and chunky, so many pages, I will do the flip through as I play the music and I will not talk, but I will be back before the end of the video. Please stay and enjoy the music.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be our light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. gaze up high above. There's a special star shining from afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be our light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. Hope will find its way to you. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
You might think the weather's kinda cold, but you know you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play, what a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist, and those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along now and play. What a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my date. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Whoa, I love it. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Chilling right under the tree. We're chilling right under the tree. Chilling right under the tree.
Christmas has found us.
I am back. I hope that you enjoy the flip through. There are plenty of tags, journaling cards, cut-aparts, and ephemera that are included in this journal. These can even embellish another journal or a couple of journals. So there you go, everyone. This is my first Christmas project for 2022. I hope that you like this. Let me know what you think. This book will be listed in my Etsy shop, and I will provide the link in my description. Thank you so much for supporting my work and my channel. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below, and know that I really appreciate you all. Stay awesome and beautiful. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.